Alrighty, right foot's on the brake. Pull back with the right paddle one time. Put us in first gear. And let's go on ahead towards the tent right over here.
Should I indicate or something?
Nope, just give it a little power.
I mean, should I put blinker?
Nope, just give it a little power. Just
Okay.
aim straight towards the tent here. There you go, and then we're gonna follow that guardrail all the way down with the other people. Just keep looking down there. I've got your back. I've already checked for traffic. And we're just gonna come over towards the guardrail a little bit more. There you go, right in behind that black Ferrari. There you go, keep coming up, keep coming in 3, 2, 1, and hold it right there. Well, I'm Ron. Who are you?
Asif.
Asif. Nice
Hi, Ron.
to meet you.
Should be.
Nope, you don't need to do anything. All you gotta do is keep your hands right there
Okay.
on the wheel, right in those little notches. That's it. And you drive the car. We're gonna leave everything else like it is. I've got the mirror set for me, so you don't need to worry about who's behind you. I'll take care of that for you.
Okay.
We try to make it as easy as possible. Alrighty. So you've been through the safety briefing already.
Yeah.
Excellent. I'm going to go over a few things from that safety briefing.
The side mirrors are set for
Yep,
you,
they're
right?
all set for me,
man.
so you just keep your eyes looking straight ahead.
Makes me nervous.
Oh, man. So back to the hand signals and cones. To accelerate, you may see my hands rolling, but I'll tell you, go on ahead and give me a little power. You can start to accelerate if you want to. With my hands straight forward, I'll tell you, give it as much gas as you want. Accelerate. When we get to the 2 standing yellow cones, we'll lift off that gas so you can squeeze the brakes at the red cones and slow us down quickly enough to release the brakes and safely make that next corner at the orange cones. We'll bring the car around the corner to the green cone sitting on the inside of the turn, and always keep me at least 3 feet off the edges of the track, just in case, so we don't dip a wheel off into the grass. But if we need to use some of that 3 feet because we made a little mistake, a little miscalculation going around some of the corners, that's fine. We can use a little bit, but if we don't need it, we're going to leave it alone. And if you're not sure what 3 feet looks like from this perspective, we have some orange tape stripes out there by some of these cones and some of the edges of the track. As long as you're not running over that tape, everything's great. Alrighty.
So when you say before the turn, slow down,
Yes.
to what speed should I bring it?
Well, that really depends, and I really don't need you looking at the speedometer to calculate that. I'll just tell you, push the brakes harder, or to release the brakes and come off them when we don't need them anymore. All right, go ahead, give it a little power. Some of the corners are slow, really slow. Some of them are actually faster than you expect. So we'll learn the track on this first lap, maybe even the second lap, and then you just progress as you feel comfortable. If you want to go faster, that's great. I'll help you do it. If you don't want to go any faster, that's fine too.
All right.
I'm just letting you know when you can go faster if you want. All right, we're going to bring it up to the blue cones, and we're going to stop at these blue cones. We're going to let that car get on track to that first corner. And in 3, 2, 1. Go ahead, give it a little power. Nice and smooth. Stay alongside the grass line on your side as we go into the first turn. There you go. So we're going to be playing a big game of connect the cones out here. Wherever the tall standing cones are, that's where we want to put the car. So we're going to stay on your side of the track all the way to that orange cone. The orange cone laying down points to the direction of the turn. Look over here and connect it to the green cone on my side. Give it a little power. Get on around the corner out to the orange cone your side, and you can see all those orange tape stripes to keep you away from the edge of the track. There you go. We're going to head down to the next orange cone. At this pace, we're just learning the track. We don't need to hit the brakes. Just turn your head, look to my side to the green cone. Turn that wheel a little more. There you go. Up to the orange cone. Keep this pace going as you look across the grass your side to that green cone. As we come around the green cone, look up ahead along the grass line your side to that orange cone. Aim towards the orange cone. There you go. Keep it going. Look over here to my side. Aim for the green cone. There you go. And then as fast as you want to go to those 2 yellow cones, accelerate. There you go. We're going to lift off the gas and hold that brake down. Squeeze those brakes. Hold them down. Hold them down. Look to my side. Release the brake. Bring it around the corner. Give it a little power towards that orange cone on your side. And then if you want a little more power, all the way down towards those 2 yellow cones. Over to my side. Squeeze those brakes. Hold them down. Hold them down. We're going to stay out wide on my side. As you release the brake, I'm going to let a car go by on your side. Don't stop the car. There you go. In behind the Corvette. That's it. Going to your side behind the Corvette. And then follow them over here to my side. There you go. Give it a little power as you go towards your side. Then back to my side. Follow that Corvette with your eyes. Let them pull you around the corners. You accelerate as much as you want down to the 2 yellow cones on my side. There you go. 3, 2, 1. Lift and squeeze and hold those brakes. Hold them down. Hold them down. Release the brake. Bring it around the corner. There you go. Up to the orange cone. That's 1 lap around. Squeeze a little brake for me. Turn your head. Look to my side. And we're going to stay over on your side. Now I'm going to let this car go on by. Come off of the gas for me. There you go. Good job. Give me a little power. Straight ahead. Bring it around tight to my side. I got 2 cars that are going to get on by you.
Okay.
Stay to my side. I'm going to let him go. Don't stop the car. Just come off the brakes. There you go. There's 1 car. Here comes the other one just in a second. There it goes. Give me some power. Here we go, buddy. Bring it on behind the purple Porsche. How you feeling over there, man? Good, good. Look over here to my side. Follow that Porsche around the corner. Keep that power going as fast as you want to go to those 2 yellow cones, buddy. Accelerate. There you go. Now we got to get a little harder on the brakes this time. Push that pedal a little harder. There you go. Hold it down. And release the brake. Look to my side. Give it a little power to get around the corner. Up to the orange cone on your side, up ahead. There you go, as fast as you want to go behind that Porsche down to the yellow cones. That's it. Dig, buddy, get it, man. Keep it coming. Over to my side. And squeeze those brakes. Hold them down. Good. Release the brakes. Coast over to your side around the corner to the green cone. And then down the grass line on your side to that red cone. There you go. Give it a little brake. Look to my side. Turn that wheel to the green cone. Give it a little power as you go out to the orange cone. Keep the power going. Middle of the road as we come around the corner. Keeping it going. Down to the yellow cones as fast as you want to go, buddy. Accelerate. There you go. Keeping it going. Nice. 3, 2, 1. Lift and a firm squeeze on the brakes. Hold them down. Hold them down. Stay to my side. Release the brakes. Bring it around the corner. Give it a little power. That's 2 laps down. Got 2 more to go. Squeeze those brakes. Slow it down. Look to my side. Release the brakes. Bring it around to the green cone. Give it a little power. That's it. Good job. Out to the orange cone. Down to the red cones. To the orange cone at the end. Keep it going. There you go. Staying out by the orange cone. Look to my side. Release the brakes. Bring it around the corner. Give it a little power. There you go. Keep it going as you go back to your side. Just turn the wheel. Give it a little power. That's it. Back to your side to that orange cone. Keeping it going up towards the orange cone. Looking over here to my side to the green cone. Keeping that power going as fast as you want to go to the 2 yellow cones. Lift. Hard squeeze on that brake. Hold them down. Hold them down. Hold them down. Stay to your side. Look to my side. Release the brakes. Bring it around. And we're going to go out to your side. Lift off that gas. I'm going to let a car go by real quick over here. Then you can get right back on that gas. And go ahead, accelerate behind that Ferrari. Keep going. Nice. Squeeze those brakes. That's it. Stay wide. Release the brakes. Bring it around. Give it a little power. We got 1 more lap to go. They're going to head into the pits. We're not going to follow them. We're going to go around the corner 1 more time. There you go. Give it a little power. Out towards that orange cone. Center track. Keep it going. Keep it going. All the way down to those double yellow cones as fast as you want to go, man. Here we go. 1 more time around. 2, 1. And a nice squeeze on those brakes. Hold them down. Hold them down. Hold them down. bring it around. There you go. When you go for the brakes, just hold them down. You don't need to pump them. You go turn your head, look over here, give me a little power, get on around the corner to the orange cone up ahead. There you go, down to the orange cone on your side. There you go, keep it going. That's it, little brake, release the brake, give it a little power, come around the corner my side up to the orange cone. There you go. Keep it going as you go around the corner, accelerate towards that green cone. And now the orange cone up ahead on your side. There you go. Keep it going, keep it going. Back to my side to the green cone. As fast as you want to go, down to the 2 yellow cones one more time. Go 3, 2, 1, lift, squeeze, and hold the brakes down. Hold them down. And release. Good job. Bring it around. That's it, up to the orange cone. One last straightaway. Here we go. As fast as you want to go to the 2 yellow cones. Get it, buddy. Keep it going. Keep it going. That's it. Keep running, and squeeze those brakes. Looking at the orange cone. As you release the brakes, turn your head, look around to the green cone, and follow the grass line on your side to the red, orange cone, and then the blue cones. We're going to go straight ahead in pit road. There you go. Release the brake, bring it around the corner. What'd you think, man?
Cool.
Good job out there.
Thank you.
Alrighty. Nice and easy as we come around the corner here behind pit wall. And once we come around the corner here, we'll slow it down a little, slow it down. There we go. When we come around the corner here, you'll see a white line in the middle of the road. Just follow it down right behind that white Ferrari. We'll stop right up there with Mr. Anthony. He's going to stop you for a couple quick pictures, and then we'll be on our way back to the parking area. Hold right there. All right, we'll make sure we got that QR code out. There you go. All right, let's move up towards the red cone here. 2, 1, hold it right there. All right, show them how much fun you had out there today.
Perfect. One more.
He's going to get the car in with you this time.
Thank you.
All righty, follow that white line. Nice, easy, slow for me. Alongside the red cones, nice and tight. Go nice and slow, nice and slow. Give me about a 3-mile-an-hour crawl down here, buddy. Slow it down. We're going to come right up to the back of the Ferrari. I'll tell you when to turn it hard to the right in 3, 2, 1. Hard to the right. Keep coming. And stop right there. Pull back with both paddles and release right here. There you go, both of them. There you go, release. Good deal. We'll straighten that wheel out.